Behind me is a brand new Porsche GT3 RS with the Weissach package in Arctic Gray. And the Weissach package is a special motorsport package for the RS cars, which has a lot of extras that makes the car lighter and makes it more motorsport feel. Magnetic paddles, magnesium wheels, a carbon fiber hood, and other specials that the Weissach package only comes with. But the one thing it doesn't change from a standard GT3 is the exhaust. And today we have something very special from the guys at Akrapovic. We have a 1 of 50 in the world GT3 RS limited edition exhaust that we're going to be installing a little bit later in the video. But first, we're going to take you guys through what a factory GT3 RS with Weissach package sounds like. We're going to take you through the gears, let you guys hear it, and then we'll show you the improvement made with the special Akrapovic exhaust. So in front of me, we have the 1 of 50 Akrapovic limited edition exhaust for the GT3 RS. And I'm going to take you guys through all of what makes this particular exhaust identifiable from the standard GT3 and GT3 RS exhaust that Akrapovic makes. This particular system, the first thing that you'll notice is it's numbered. It has an individual numbering on it. This particular system is 7 of 50. All the numbers were randomly sent out. I spoke to Akrapovic. You could not request a number. We just got lucky with the 7 being a low number, but also 7 being a pretty cool number out of the 50 solid numbers you can get. The other pieces of the system that make it identifiable as the limited edition are the tips. So the first thing that you'll notice is inside the tips, there's a 3D printed matrix design that's titanium that sits inset into the tips, which you can see once it's installed, and you can see just by looking at the tips here. You'll also notice carbon look that this has, and that's actually ceramic matrix composite, which is used on a lot of the motorsport applications and motorcycle applications that Akrapovic makes across their line. It's made to stand up to super high temperatures a lot more than a standard tip would be in carbon that they make. This is a specialized unit for this exhaust. It also has a 3D printed titanium inset number here, which also ties into the inner matrix, which is individually numbered with the 7 of 50 on there. So this is unique not only in the 50 because it's the 7, it's unique to this exhaust. And that's all done and all hand polished once it's 3D printed to be able to have that look and be able to stand out. Everything else about the system for this car is a standard GT3 system. All of the OEM valves are moved over and fit right on this housing from Akrapovic. You can see the valve in there. These are the reducers that go from the large catalytic converters that are on the side into the smaller diameter that goes into the muffler. And then everything else you will normally see with an Akrapovic exhaust. All the full instructions, the manufacturer's warranty cards. You'll notice a set of white gloves here on the table, and these are for fitting the exhaust. These are for touching the whole muffler, all of the tips and everything. I've been really careful to touch only the ends because your actual fingerprints and the oil from your skin will burn into this exhaust. So not only do we use the gloves, but we also clean it. There's a couple of different agents that they recommend you clean it with so the fingerprints don't burn in. It's really crucial on these because these have a really neat bluing that happens with the Akrapovic titanium, and you want to have that without fingerprints all over the exhaust. So Adam's going to work on the installation of the exhaust here in the workshop. Then we're going to go and do the comparison of the same revs, the same launches, and everything that I did with the factory exhaust, so you guys can hear the difference with this amazing Akrapovic unit. as you guys can see, the Akrapovic is now on, fit perfect just like OEM. And with the special edition, you can see the ceramic composite material and also the 3D printed sandblasted titanium inner shell, which is visible from behind the car. So all that's left to do now is for you guys to hear it.
Woo-hoo!